What is going on, everybody? I hope everyone is doing well. All right, today we are stepping up our gear for overlanding. Gee, I wonder what it might be. Yeah, I know, it's probably already listed in the title and it's right behind me. We are going to be unboxing this portable ARB air compressor kit. Really cool. So let's go ahead, open it up, and also tell you guys exactly why I chose to go this way. All right, so as you see, I'm not outside, I'm actually inside the house. Doing this because it's cold outside and I don't really want to do the video in the garage. All right, so for the main reason why I'm going with this one is, one, because it's portable. Two, it comes with an air tank and you can actually run some air tools, which is going to be really convenient. Three, for now, this is going to work really well because it comes with its own carrying case. It's portable, you know, it can be left in the truck, or I can take it out, leave it in the garage for my daily commute. So I think this will work very well. All right, so that is the reason why I went with this one. All right, let's go ahead, open this thing up. Let's see what's inside and actually turn it on, see how it is. It's heavy. All right. Oh, that looks so nice. All right, let's get it out of the box. All right, so I would like to say that this is a waterproof case, but honestly, I don't think that's what it is. Or maybe. No, it's not. So we got screws underneath here that's holding the actual compressor itself and the tank. I'm assuming if this was a airtight case, that would have been like that special pressure release valve that goes here. But these things are massive. They're nice. All right, so open it up and there you go. So what you have here is the twin compressor. The loom, the wiring loom to hook up to the battery. The holding tank, the switch, and the air chuck. Now with the wiring loom, it is a disconnect over here, which is really cool. Okay. But it also comes with a 50-foot air hose. So this one has the quick release air chucks as well. So this one would go here, that would go to your handheld. It comes with air blower, I guess, so that would be it. Instructions, all black and white. And then, if you got anything else, oh, right here. We got a little box. Oh, looks like it had seen better days. All right, let's go in here. We have, okay, interesting. Oh, nice. And that's garbage. All right, so it looks like this is for your valve. So squeeze that, push this in, that let go. This would hold this piece onto your air valve to air up. And then what else do we have? We have another knob. I'm not sure what that's for. Then we got some other pieces here, another quick release piece. Oh, I see. Maybe that, because this looks like it's for some kind of balloon or inflatable, like a football or something. Alright, so I busted out the decibel reader. So the phone is maybe about a foot away from the compressor, so it's pretty close, but just to give you guys a reference of how close the phone is. Here we go. All right, there you go. So what's reading right now is the actual cooling fans inside. Peaked out at 95.2 decibels. Loud, but not too loud. It did shut off on its own, so once it hits its maximum PSI inside the tank, which is I think roughly about 120 PSI, there's an auto shut off. So that way the tank is always kept at its level of like 120 or whatever it's set at. And when it gets below, the pump will actually pressurize the tank again. So,
ow.
So I'm just gonna hold the trigger. All right, there it is. Not bad. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna grab one of my air tools and see if it works. All right, here's our air ratchet. Okay. Let's try this one. My big air gun. These are the filters and the cooling fans are in there. So I'll probably end up leaving it on so that way it'll cool itself down. Once it gets cooled down, I'll shut it off and I will empty out the tank. So that way it's safe to transport.
Anywhere you go, give it on. Anywhere you said, anywhere.
Man, these batteries do not like the cold. Just want to apologize that the battery died and the camera turned off. I was just testing out the ARB air compressor just to see how long it would take, and huge game changer. Went down from, what was it? Was it almost 7 minutes to each tire pumping up with that little pump. It was actually probably longer. It was like almost 10 minutes. Down to like a minute and a half. It was actually less than a minute and a half to pump it up with the ARB air compressor. That's going from 15 PSI all the way up to 40 PSI. So that's what I run the KO2s at for my everyday driving. Definitely an awesome purchase. Really happy with that. Stay tuned for more videos. So my wife and I have a lot more videos, a lot more trips that we want to do, and we want to share it with you guys. So think about subscribing, hit the notification bell. Don't forget to drop a comment down below if you want to, and stay safe. Who knows? Maybe we'll see you out there.